Experience the ultimate in-home security and convenience with the Hikvision Video Intercom Indoor Station, featuring advanced technology for seamless communication, remote access, and enhanced safety. Let's unbox and explore the features of this advanced video door phone system. The Video Door Phone Kit offers multiple communication options including call, message and live view. The indoor station with a 7-inch touchscreen with 1024 by 600 resolution. You can view, chat and send permission to the visitor with mobile from anywhere. The device can also link other control systems such as CCTV systems, elevator control systems, etc. Convenient Hik-Connect app for mobile control to receive calls, open the door and view live remotely. Receive alarms by linkage with the alarm system and notify the center to handle them in time. You can also view live feeds from up to 16 IP cameras. The indoor unit can be connected to Wi-Fi. The device allows you to customize the ringtone, call duration, and volume to suit your preferences. It also features a Do Not Disturb mode for uninterrupted peace. Upgrade your home security with the Hikvision Video Intercom Indoor Station, offering advanced features and customization options for a truly smart home experience. Enhance your doorstep security and communication today.